HIMS stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in the short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. I appreciate HIMS stock quite a lot. I mean, in a way where, like, look at the higher time frame right here. This is when it was called out in the Discord, 31st of March 2025. There you go in the trade alert section. And since then, now, I called it out from, like, let's come here, from 29 bucks to 72, more than a double, and we reached like 66, right? And I'm looking to double down on it. I mean, it's definitely still pending. The targets are up there, but we've more than doubled. And unless I see this double break, the second break shift here above 57, 58 bucks, that I'm not gonna look to buy. So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10k per month trading, click the first link in the description that just get my free emails, and I will continue to keep you updated. I also have previous receipts on HIMS in the Discord itself. So see you in the next one. Goodbye, enjoy and stay tuned.